Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create digital marketing agency website on WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to go inside the appearance and we have to click on themes here. So what you need to do, you have to install Blocksy theme. Okay, so I have already installed this, so that is why I will simply activate this from here. And after that, what you need to do, you have to install Blocksy companion plugin. Okay, so if you can't find this notification here, you can simply go inside the plugins and click on add new plugin. And here you have to search for Blocksy and you will be able to see Blocksy companion here. So let's click on install now and let's just activate this. All right. So in the dashboard of the Blocksy, you can see the different options here. The color options, the typography options, header, footer, blog, post, and you can also see the other options here. Okay. So now what we need to do, we have to go inside the starter sites because we have to import the template from here. So let's just scroll down and we have to search for agency. Okay. So that is why I will go here with this template, that is web agency. So let's click on the modify here because I have already imported this. That is why we are having the option to modify. Other than that, you will be able to see the option of import on our web agency. Okay, so let's click on modify and I want to reinstall this. Okay, we have to activate the child theme. Next, and I will select Elementor here. Next, and both of these plugins are installed. So let's click on next. Now let's just click on install. Now we would have to wait for its installation. Alright, so the template is being imported or installed. So now what we need to do, we have to click on view site and you will be able to see our agency website here. Okay, so if I just scroll down, you will be able to see this is how our website is looking and this is looking really great. So if you want to customize it, you can simply do it. So we have the two options of the customizations, whether you can do it from the customize button and you can also do it with the Elementor. Okay, so let's just click on edit with Elementor. Right now, let's just go inside the customize option and let's just see what do we have here. All right, so in the customize, as you can see here, we have the general options. So in the general, we have the header, footer, sidebar, color, typography, performance, and we also have the post types. We have the pages and core. So if I can go inside the header, you will be able to see our header structure here. So you can simply modify this from here. So if I can go back and if I can go inside the general settings. So in the general, we have the layout button, breadcrumbs and form elements. And you can also see the other options here as well. Okay. So let's just enable scroll to top now. Okay. So now if I just scroll down and if I just click on this button, we will be scroll to the top. Okay. So now let's go back and we can also explore the other options from here as well. So let's just go here into the site identity. So in the site identity, you'd have to write down the title of the site and you can also write down the tagline and you can also add site icon from here. Okay. So let's just go back and after that you can see the option of menus and widgets. And after that we can also see the option of home page settings. So you can explore these options by yourself. So right now we simply go inside with our template with Elementor. So as you can see here that we are inside Elementor editor. So from here we can actually customize everything that we have on our template. So for example, if you want to change the heading here, you simply click on the heading and from here we can change the heading. Okay, as you can see here we have this title, and if you want to change the styling of the heading, you can simply do it from the style here. Okay, so you can see the options of alignment, text color, typography, text stroke and text shadow and plain mode. Okay, so in the similar way, if you want to edit the text here, you can also do it as well. So you can edit the text from here, and if you need to change the styling of the text, you can simply do it from the style here. Okay, and if you want to go into the advanced settings, you can simply explore the advanced settings in the advanced option as well. And after that we have the button, so we can edit or customize the button in the similar way. So this is the text of the button, and here we can add the link, and here we can do the alignment, and here we can adjust the size of the button, and after that we have the style. So in the style we can simply do all the customization of our button here. Okay, So in the style, we can actually do the customization of our button here from typography to the background color. Okay, so let's just scroll down and you can also see these boxes. So if you want to edit this, you can simply do it. You can see this, we have this icon box. So you can change the icon from here as well. You can change the heading and you can also change the text from it as well. You can see this. So we have the title, we have the description, and we also have the icon here. Okay. So in the similar way, if you want to change the image, that is really easy. All you need to do is to click on it. Now you can see this, we have this container, and if I just go inside the style, you will be able to see that we have the background of the image here. So if you want to change the image, you can simply click on the choose image, and from here you can see the two options, upload files and the media library. So if you want to upload your own file, you can simply do it from here by selecting the file from your computer. Other than that, you can go inside the media library that will have all the images that you have on your WordPress. So you can simply choose any image from here that is relevant to you. Okay, so let's just close this right now. And you can also see this, we have this overlay here on our background image. So how can we add this? That is very easy. You can simply go inside the background overlay here. And from here, you can simply add the overlay color here as well. So if I change the color here, now you can see this, we are having the different color here. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how you can do the customization in the Elementor. And if you want to add the new section, so if I can scroll down, you can see here we have this add new section. So I would only need to click on this, and from here I can select the structure. So whether it would be the 2-column structure, 3-column structure, or the 4-column, or anything. Okay, so right now I just want to go here with the 2-column structure. So I just simply click on this. So this is how you can add the new section, and then you can simply add the elements inside it. Okay, all right, so now let me just delete this. And this is how you can create the digital agency website in the WordPress. So if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.